In the previous segment, we maintained absolute control over our image by creating a levels adjustment layer with a mask. And the mask said only control the barn. We lightened the barn. We didn't change the sky. I've changed my mind. What do you mean? Well, I want the sky to have more pop to it. I need a second adjustment layer that only controls the sky. You might be surprised how easy this is. We're going to start by grabbing over here. Don't grab here because you're moving the layer adjustment mask. You want to grab somewhere in here. We're going to grab and drag down to the new icon. Anytime you drag a layer, no matter what kind of layer it is, over the new icon, you're saying, Photoshop, make me a copy. Easier way to do that with a shortcut is Control J. That's a Command or Apple J on a Mac, same key, different name. We have our copy. Let's start out by coming up here to our adjustment and resetting the copy, because we will be doing something different to that sky. Also, since we do have two, our problem is the mask is the same. Andy, it's just going to change the barn again. Correct. We need to change the mask. This is very easy. Select the mask in the copy. Go up to the word image on the pull-down menu. Go down to adjustments, over and down to invert. Watch. With one click of a button, you have now made a mask that only controls the sky. With that done, tell you what, we're going to do one more thing you don't have to do. You can rename these. For example, Levels 1. Let's go ahead and change Levels 1 to the name Levels Barn, because that's what it was controlling. With this one here, we'll double click on it. And what we'll do is we'll change that to Levels Sky. Sometimes this is easier because you name them this way. It's easier to tell what they are rather than looking at the mask. Select Levels Sky. I want more contrast. I'm going to move in my black and white sliders into the histogram and watch what happens just to the sky. I just love working with masks. They're just so awesome. Totally different looking sky. Little bit more pop to that thing. We have one that controls the sky and one that controls the barn. Total control using adjustment layers, but adjustment layers with something very important: masks.